Don't you just hate it when you traipse through hundreds of listings on Rightmove and you just can't find the property that's perfect for you? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you through a Rightmove hack that very few people I talk to know about, so I thought I'd better do a quick video about it so you can find the perfect property, matching your requirements, exactly what you want, quickly and easily. So let's jump in. All right, so Rightmove's a great website, but their search parameters aren't particularly clear. So I'm going to show you here how you can whittle down, layer on more filters to find the perfect property. So over to my screen, let's go to Rightmove. Let's pretend you're looking to buy a property in Reigate between 450 and 550. There we go, 35 results. Now, do you want to trace you through all those? What when you know that you actually need a garage? So you've got this little, it's not very clear to be fair, this little box says add keyword. What that's doing is it's searching all the words in the property description for the word garage. So then what happens is, of those 35 properties, we've got 13 that have got a garage. So now all you need to do is look through those. But let's just say, oh, but I also need, or I want, an ensuite. Put that in there as well. And it'll pull up the ones that are matching both of those keywords. So this one's got a garage and an ensuite, garage and an ensuite, and there's only 2 of those. So if you're thinking, right, I want to be in Reigate, I've got a budget between 450 and 550, but I need a garage and I need an ensuite. They're non-negotiables. I'm gonna just go and inquire about those properties. Let's say you can compromise on the ensuite, but you want a utility room. Let's see if that works. It brings any up. Oh, matching 2 keywords. Here we go. Garage and utility. So then you can just go and inquire about those ones. Well, one actually, because that one's not. Come on to that. I think I'll do a whole video on this whole home-wise thing one day. But then look, you've got great. It's in Reigate. It's got a garage. Then what you can do is go into the property listing. Halliwell Marks, by the way, are a really good estate agency in Reigate. You can do garage. There we go, tells you it's got garage off-road parking. And what do we put? Utility. And it's got utility room. So pretty much, it's a quicker way. I love things that save time. But the problem with Rightmove is it's not that clear, is it? I mean, generally people go in here and they like, I want semi-detached or detached. And that's pretty much, you can apply a couple of filters, must-haves, garden. But what if your must-have is a garage? What people generally do is they go straight to the filters, they don't really think about this keyword search. Let's go here and let's say I want something with a garden. Matching one keyword, there's a few houses there with gardens. So anyway, quick little tip, hope you found that helpful. Drop a comment below if you're like, oh my God, Perry, that's so old news, I've been using that for years. Make me up my game a little bit. Or drop a comment below if you found it helpful, if you weren't aware of that, and go off and search Rightmove for all these, add these little words of all the things you need, and all that happens is it stacks them. So it'll say, we want a garage and utility. So what's good is it'll say, well, these ones here match both keywords, and then these ones here only match one keyword. That's got a garage but no utility. You might think, okay, I can overcome the utility because that looks lovely, like a nice big garden. So hope you found it helpful. Drop a comment below if you did. If you didn't, I'll try and up my game. But it's a little hack that not many people realise. When I tell my clients about it, they're like, oh my God, that's life changing. But if you already knew about it, high five to you. I'll see you on the next one.